Hello guys, today I want to show us how to do a conditional formatting in Power Query based on time. So I want the time to be grouped based on time of the day, morning, afternoon, dusk, and so on and so forth using Power Query. So I'll go to my add column section, select conditional column because it's a condition I want to set, and let's call this time of day. I want to say if our variable is stop time, if stop time is greater than or equal to. Now, because of how the times of the day is, the highest time of the day is 11:59 p.m. right? That's the highest time of the day. So we are going to do it chronologically but in a descending order from the highest time of the day slowly towards the least time of the day. So we are saying if stop time is greater than or equal to 20:00, then call it maybe dusk. We add another and say else if stop time is greater than or equal to 16:00, then we call this evening. Else if stop time is greater than or equal to 12:00, then call it afternoon. Add cross again, else if stop time is greater than or equal to 08:00. Let's call this morning. Add clause again, else if stop time is greater than or equal to 04:00. Let's call this dawn. Now all the remaining time of the day that's left is between 12 midnight to 4 a.m. So we just want to call that remaining time of the day, let's say night. Okay, if I do that, I now have time of the day properly spelled out. So let me just keep it side by side with my time column and keep that side by side with my time column. So we now have, where did I draw that? Sorry. Simpler way to do that, yeah? So I want to move it to the beginning. Alright, so you can see, like we set it up between 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. is night, between 8 a.m. to 12 is morning, between 8 p.m. to 12 midnight is dusk. Now these errors are just because of the nulls that we have that particular variable. So if I remove the number of nulls in this and then give it some time to refresh, yeah, so you see